The die holder is your nibbler's nose piece. The die is secured to it and the punch oscillates inside of it. It aligns the punch with the die. The most common problem with the die holder is it becoming bent if the tool is accidentally dropped. Replacing the die holder is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut that secures the die holder. With the die holder removed, now I can remove the die. It's secured with 2 screws. Now I can replace the die holder. I'll align the die with the die holder and secure it with the screws. Now I can reinstall the die holder and die assembly and secure it with the nut. And that's how simple it is to replace the die holder on your nibbler. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.